Alright, so in this video, we'll understand what is XML. So XML is a software and hardware independent tool for storing and transporting data. So what is XML? So XML stands for extensible markable. XML stands for extensible markup language. XML is a markup language much like HTML. XML was designed to store and transport data over a web. XML was also designed to be self-descriptive. XML is a W3C recommendation. So W3C is nothing but a worldwide consortium. XML does not do anything. Right. This is the simple snippet for XML. So note is the parent tag here, right? So whichever tag that starts, right, that will always have a ending tag, right? So note is started here and it is ending right here. So you can see 2 is starting here and it is ending over here. Similarly, from is starting here and from is ending here. So like this, whichever tag is starting, and this is heading tag and it is ending over here. And in between all these tags, the actual data will be placed, right? So this is a dynamic thing. It will keep on changing, but the holders, you can say the placeholders will be the same, right? So like this, we can add any tags, any names, and we can pass in the required information, right, using the XML file. So XML above is quite self-descriptive because it is having all the information, right? We know like we are having a note over here, which is sent from Jenny, and heading is reminder. And the body is don't forget to me this weekend. So once we have passed all the information, so note tag will be ending over here. So XML above is quite self-descriptive. So it has the sender information, like who is sending this information, right? This is sent from Jenny. And receiver information, who is receiving this information. So it is being received by Tom. It has a heading. So heading is this reminder, and it has a message body. This is the body for this complete message, right? But still we can say XML does not do anything. XML is just information wrapped inside the tags, right? So basically it is used for the transportation of the required data over the internet. Someone might write a piece of software to send, receive, store, or display it, right? Since XML is consisting of all these data, so somebody might write some of the software which will be like fetching all this information and sending it over the web. So ultimately, like how it is going to look out in the UI is like this, right? So this is presentable. So you can see this is user friendly and this looks much more clean, right? Compared to the previous information. So that is just a way of representing information and storing the information and transporting over the internet. So, but the end of the day, the data will be displayed over here like this. So difference between XML and HTML. So XML and HTML were designed with different goals. XML was designed to carry data with focus on what data is. XML was designed to display data with focus on how data looks. XML tags are not predefined like HTML tags. Since in the HTML tags, we have like predefined HTML tags, right? And we have to use those tags only. But here the case is not the same. It is just the opposite. So user can define all these tags based on our requirement. We can keep any name right there. So that is like very much user friendly and gives us like 100% option to like change the names for the tags and place in all the required information. So XML does not use predefined tags. This is one of the most important feature because if it was providing some of the predefined tags, then we have to use those predefined tags only. We are not supposed to use any user defined tags. So this is one of the best and the important feature that we have here. So tags in the example above like to and from are not defined in any XML standard, right? These tags are invented by the author of this XML document. So whoever is the author, let's say I am trying to send some information over the internet and that is having some predefined data that needs to be passed in, right? And that will be further processed by the system. And so user can customize that and the user can pass in the information based on that. So HTML works with predefined tags like P. P is nothing but the paragraph tag. H1 is like the header one tag, and table is going to consist some table information. So like this, these are the predefined tags we have here in case of HTML, but this is not the case in terms of XML. XML provides the complete full control over uh, the XML definition. So author can define the tags and change the document structure based on their requirement. Also, XML is extensible. Most XML application will work as expected, even if new data is added or removed. Imagine an application designed to display the original version of node.xml to from heading body, right? Then imagine a newer version of node.xml with added date, hour elements, and removed heading tags. So these are the two different case scenario here. So the way XML is constructed, the older version of the application can still work. So if we are removing some of the tags from the actual XML that we have created and adding some of the information, so this is going to work without any impacting on the complete data, right? So this is the older version in which like we have this node to from reminder and don't forget me this weekend, right? And the newer version is going to contain this date as well, and we have removed some of the intacs. So this XML will be still intact and it will be working without any issue. So XML basically like simplifies the things. XML simplifies the data sharing, right? XML simplifies the data transport. XML simplifies the platform changes and the data availability, right? So many computer systems contain data in incompatible format. Exchanging data between incompatible system or upgraded system is a time-consuming task for web developers. Large amount of data must be converted and incompatible data is often lost. XML stores data in plain text format. This provides a software and hardware independent way of storing, transporting, and sharing data. XML also makes it easier to expand or upgrade to new operating system, new application, new browser without losing data. With XML, data can be available to all kinds of reading machine like people, computer, voice machine, newsfeed, etc. So XML is W3 recommendation. XML became a W3 recommendation as early as in Feb 1999. Thank you. That's all in this video. We talked about like XML and their benefits. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.